Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. In this video, we're talking about how to make money with Builderall's affiliate program. So whether you're just getting started as an affiliate or you're considering being an affiliate for Builderall, I'm going to share a couple of techniques that will help you make money. The first technique is one that I've used to make $12,000 in affiliate commissions. But if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to give you another technique that will help you start earning cash this week. So let's dive right into it. So when you come into your affiliate dashboard, under agency funnels, you will see these niche funnels that you can promote to specific niches to sell the Builderall software. This is something kind of unique to Builderall that other softwares don't really have, where they actually make you choose the niche and then market it specifically to them. Builderall's created these funnels specifically to target certain types of entrepreneurs and businesses. There's all kinds of different ones in here, like fitness businesses, photographers, mechanics, etc. Now, obviously, you don't want to promote one of these generally. You want to promote it specifically to that type of business owner. But the cool thing about that is you can send them right to one of these funnels. So this just saves you a lot of time because you don't have to really come up with the funnel and the marketing message. You literally can just send them to the link. So as you can see, you can download this right into your own Builderall account. With one click, it'll just load it right in there. And then you have more control over that funnel, where it leads them, the email sequence they get put into, that kind of thing. So once you have one or two niche business owners that you want to promote to, you can just start creating videos like this where you're just giving reviews. So a review of the software specific to a photographer, for example, is targeting hot traffic. The person already knows that they need what you're selling. They just need a little extra push to actually make the final decision. One little downside to all that is that once you make a sale, you typically have to wait 30 days before it pays out. And that's why I want to share with you this other technique. If you want to start earning cash this week, this is what you can do. Same thing in your affiliate dashboard. You can go to niche funnels, and then you'll see these niche funnels that someone, like, let's say the previous example, would sign up for and want to use one of these funnels. You can load these into your dashboard and sell them to local businesses. So dentist, for example, photographer, landscaper is another good one that I really like. And all you would do is you would click open. It's going to bring you to the page where you would load it. So it's step number 3. You click this, and then like that previous example that I showed you, it will load right into your dashboard. So you click this, confirm. It'll load right into your dashboard, and then you'll have the exact website for a landscaper, for example. And so then all you would have to do is click these dots and transfer it. And then you would type in your client's email address that they signed up for Builderall with, and you could transfer that right into their account. To take that back to one of the first steps is it can be as simple as walking around to the local businesses who you know don't have websites. That's one way. Or if you want to do it online, you could simply go to Facebook and search for the name of your city or your area, and it will come up with groups that are related to businesses, business networking, jobs in the area, cash jobs, that kind of thing. And you can enter those groups and create a post telling them that you are starting your online business and you want to help other business owners create a website for their business. And it could be a small amount. So you could say, I will customize a template website for your company. And then you can list off the ones that you do. So let's say, for example, you want to start with landscapers, real estate agents, and yoga studios. The money they pay you up front, let's say that $200, for example, you get paid immediately. So whether you're taking that in cash or you're putting it through a Stripe account, you will get that money within the week. But that means you're also getting them to sign up for a Builderall subscription, which you will start earning recurring commissions on. So this is a great way to start making money right away, but also start building your affiliate line so that you're making recurring monthly commissions. And the fact that you're setting it up for them makes them more likely to keep the Builderall subscription and therefore your recurring revenues. If you found this useful and you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you would like some help implementing this, make sure you click the link down in the description of this video so that you can join my affiliate team and I can help you get the ball rolling. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.